Good evening, children. Welcome to Prerna Welfare Society under CSRCD online classes. This is your Anjaneyulu sir teaching you social studies from today. Okay, let us begin the class with the first lesson. India, relief features. First of all, what is meant by relief? Relief means a vertical elevation of a landform. Vertical elevation. Vertical elevation of landforms. Vertical elevation of landforms which present over the Earth's surface. You know what are the landforms, sir? Landforms nothing but mountains, plains, valleys, rivers, isn't it? So they were called the landforms. Each and every landform has some elevation. Then they have to measure the landforms with the height, isn't it? So then here elevation is nothing but height. They can measure the landforms from the sea level. You learn in 6th and 7th classes about measuring the landforms in the name of MSL. Means what? Mean sea level, isn't it? Because the water levels in the oceans are very level now, isn't it? So that is why they have to measure the landforms from the mean sea level. It is clear. Here, what I told you, relief means vertical elevation of landforms which present over the surface called as relief. So in this lesson, we'll discuss about relief features of India. Relief features also called physical features of India. Best example, Himalayas, which are present in the north to eastern part of India from west to east direction. Himalayas, right? Next to Indo-Gangetic plains along the feet of mountain ranges, along the feet of Himalayas. So there was a present of Indo-Gangetic plains. Next to Peninsular Plateau. This is Peninsular Plateau in the Peninsular India, right? Next to Thar deserts, the Great Indian Desert, which present in the northeastern part of India. Okay, northwest of Rajasthan. It is clear. Next, the coastal plains along the east and west coast of India. Yes, no. So then there are the best examples to local landforms. So each and every landform has some height, some elevation, isn't it? For example, we'll take the elevation of Himalayas. The average height of Himalayas are 6,100 meters from the sea level, isn't it? So in this lesson, we'll start with about our countries. Clear? India. Okay, now its size and location. Size and location. See, India lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, I hope you know very well what hemispheres are. The equator, which is the horizontal line which can be divided the earth into two equal halves. Okay, northern portion is the northern hemisphere, southern part is called southern hemisphere. See, when we talk about our country, which present in northern hemisphere in the southern part of Asian continent. Okay, so this is important. India lies in where, sir? Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Right? And India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country. 7th largest country in the world. In area it is. See, but what are the 6 largest countries in the world? Largest country in the world is Russia. It is. After Canada, 2nd largest country. 3rd one, USA. 4th one, China. 5th is Brazil. 6th, Australia. And 7th largest country was India. Clear? The area of our country was 3.28 million square kilometers. 3.28 million square kilometers. Right? See exactly where India is situated. So when we see the location of our country, we can observe the location with the help of longitudes and latitudes, sir. I hope you well know about the longitudes and latitudes. The horizontal lines which present over the surface called as latitudes. The vertical lines which present over the earth surface called as longitudes, are clear. So let us understand where India lies. India lies in between 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes northern latitudes, because India lies in northern hemisphere, no. So northern latitudes, and 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes eastern longitudes. India also lies in eastern hemisphere. Okay, that is why when we talk about India lies in 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes eastern longitude. Okay, let us see the map. So this is 8 degrees 4 minutes, latitude. 8 degree 4 minutes. Okay, northern latitude to 37 degree. This is 37th degree 6 minutes. Okay, northern latitude. Right. Next comes to longitude or distances. The longitude extent is 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes. This is 97th degree 25 minutes eastern longitude. Yes, no? See, for public examination point of view, the question is that where India situated, or write about the location of India. So then you have to start the answer with first point. India lies in northern hemisphere. It is 7th largest country in the world. The area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers, and India lies in between 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes northern latitude, and 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes eastern longitude. Clear? See, India as a peninsula. So why is it also peninsula? Because it is covered by 3 sides of water. See, in the east, Bay of Bengal, in the west, Arabian Sea, in the south, Indian Ocean. Clear? So a piece of land. So when we define peninsula is a piece of land which cover 3 sides of water is called peninsula. You know, India which cover 3 sides of water, no. So India is a peninsula. It is. Okay, 1 more question it is. Clear? So let us understand the important latitude which passes through India is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Cancer with 23.5 degree northern latitude. You always write about the northern latitudes only because India lies in northern hemisphere. No? So this latitude which can be divided India into 2 equal parts. Okay, northern part is for northern India, southern part is called southern India. Right now. Next, coming into an important longitude which passes through India is 82 degree 30 minutes. 30 minutes eastern longitude. So what is the importance of 82 degree 30 minutes eastern longitude? Because so this longitude which mentioned as the standard meridian of India or Indian Standard Time, IST we call it as. See, we have to follow standard time than the local time. If we follow local time, there is a lot of confusion. So that is why the geographer suggested to follow standard time, isn't it? So each and every country has to be taken the longitude which passes through center of the particular country. That longitude has taken as the standard meridian of India. Right? So for our country, 82 degree 30 minutes eastern longitude has taken for standard meridian of India. Okay. See, what time at this longitude, the same time is applicable for entire the nation. For example, so now it is 6:15. Example, right now, the same time which can be calculated for entire the nations of our country. Each and every state has to be follow the same time, isn't it? So our Indian standard time is 5.5 hours forward than the Greenwich Mean Time. This is the world standard time. Okay. How many hours we forward from the Greenwich time? Greenwich Mean Time 5.5 hours. For example, the time is 10 a.m. at Greenwich. What is the time at Greenwich? 10 a.m. at Greenwich. What is the time in India? You know very well the time difference between Greenwich to Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours. We forward 5.5 hours from the Greenwich Mean Time. So then add 5.5 hours. Okay. So plus 5.5 hours. 10 plus 5.5 hours. Okay, what is the time in India? Then you have to calculate now. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and half an hour. Okay. So 3:30 okay, p.m. is the right. 3:30 p.m. See, you know the time difference between the two places. Okay, 5.5 hours. We forward. Okay, we forward means we add the time, isn't it? So we add 5.5 hours for given time, that is 10 a.m. For example, if the time is 7 a.m. at Greenwich, 7 a.m. What is the time in India? Add plus 5.5 hours. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and half an hour, 12:30. 12:30 p.m. So that this way, then we have to calculate in the time from the Greenwich. So my dear students, one question is compulsory for public examinations, either for one mark question or else in part we also asking you that. So time has to give on 0 degree longitude or Greenwich longitude. Then 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich city in London, isn't it? So then from there we have to follow the time. So this is the world standard time. Okay, each and every country standard time, which is measured from or which is measured based on the Greenwich Mean Time only, isn't it? So this way I have to find out the time. So one more question is, the time is 4 a.m. at Greenwich. What is the time in India? Then add 5.5 hours. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and half an hour. 9:30 AM or PM? AM only. After 12 o'clock, we consider as PM. Before 12 o'clock, it is AM, no? Right? So this way, then we have to calculate the time, in the examination point of view, right? See, let us move on the formation of the physical features of our country. So there were 6 physical features which present over India. They are Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, tall deserts, coastal plains, and islands. So first of all, so let you understand how the physical features of India was formed. Physical features. So, see, in 9th class you learned that the world landforms. The world landforms which formed by 2 giant land masses. They were called as Angara and Gondwana. So what is Angara and Gondwana? Angara and Gondwana are the 2 giant land masses. Means the present continents are 7, which divided from Angara and Gondwana land masses only, isn't it? So these Angara and Gondwana land masses is present in a supercontinent. A supercontinent is called Pangea. So this you learn in 9th class, isn't it? And then what is Pangea mean? Pangea is a supercontinent. Okay, this Pangea split into pieces. The northern portion is called Angara, southern part is called Gondwana landmass, isn't it? So gradually the Gondwana and Angara landmasses split into pieces. We called them as the present 7 continents are. Okay, you know very well. Clear? See, but all these continents, all these present continents which present over mantle. Okay, we are living on the crust. No, the crust is upon the mantle. Okay, the crust which is moving upon the mantle like a ship upon the water. How ship is moving upon the water? In the same way, the crust also has been moving upon the mantle. Here, the present 7 continents and the 5 water bodies is present over the mantle only, isn't it? On the 7 major and 7 minor plates are. So let us understand what are the plates mean. Here I told you there were 7 major, 7 minor continents. So 7 major continents and 5 water bodies are which present over 7 major and 7 minor plates are. So let us understand Indo-Australian plate. Now this is India plate. Next to here the Australia there it is. So Indo-Australian plate, which was split into two pieces as Australia plate and India plate. Okay. So this India plate is moving towards to northeast. This plate is moving towards northeast and collided with a larger plate is called Eurasia. Yeah, what is Eurasia mean? Europe and Asia together called as Eurasia, which present in the northern hemisphere. No. So here the India plate is moving towards the northeast and collided with the much larger Eurasia plate. So due to immense collision force, Himalayas at present in the northeastern part of India. Okay. So this is one of the landform which emerged in the northeastern part of India. How it was emerged? Due to plate tectonics only, isn't it? Due to collision of two plates, sir. Okay, what plates collided here? India plate with Eurasia plate. These two plates which collided in the northeastern part of India, there the Himalayas emerged as a folded mountains. Clear? So let us begin with the first physical feature is Himalayas. Right? So first of all, the location of Himalayas, in Indian physical map is northeast. Okay. So these Himalayas extending from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh with 2,400 kilometers. So this is the length of Himalayas. Right now. And the Himalayas are youngest and folded mountains. Important bit. Youngest and folded mountains. So why we call youngest and folded mountains? Because these Himalayas, which present or which emerged as a landform by 200 million years ago. Already the rest of the landforms which present over India, like Peninsular Plateau, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, and other mountain ranges which present over India, isn't it? So Himalayas emerged as a lakes landform that is 200 million years ago. So that is why we call these mountain ranges are youngest and folded mountains. Youngest and folded mountains, right? And Aravalli mountains which present in Rajasthan are the oldest folded mountains. These two are important bits. Sometimes the student confused. So which of the following the mountain ranges are youngest and folded mountains? You answer for Himalayan mountains. So which of the following mountain ranges of India are oldest and folded mountains? You answer for Aravalli mountains. Okay, Aravalli sir. Clear? See, these Himalayas, that's the width of the Himalayas, 200 kilometers in the east and 500 kilometers in the west. East and west is nothing but this is eastern part. No, in the eastern part the Himalayas length is not very wide it is. They are the narrow varieties. So the Himalayas in the west they are the wider. The width of the Himalayas in the west is 500 kilometers. In the east, where Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, there the width is 200 kilometers only. Okay, so let us understand the Himalayas can be classified as 3 parallel ranges. How many parallel ranges? 3 parallel ranges are. So let us understand the parallel ranges of Himalayas. See how many are there? 3 parallel ranges now. What are they? Himadri, first one, right? Second parallel range is Himachal. Third, Shivalik, right? Actually, Himalayas are the highest and folded mountains in the world. So then, these Himalayas not only one mountain chain, but so these Himalayas which consist of various kinds of ranges can be divided into various kinds of ranges, isn't it? So then These entire Himalayan mountains can be classified as 3 mountain ranges. Okay, they were Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. So let us understand, okay, what is Himadri, where Himadri is situated, and what is the importance of Himadri. Okay, Himadri also called Greater Himalayas. What more? Greater Himalayas. Important bit. Himadri, also known as Greater, okay, Himalayas. So why we call so Greater Himalayas? Because the elevation of these Himalayas are 6,100 meters from the sea level. So this is the elevation. Elevation means what? Height from the sea level. Each and every landform, okay, with measure as elevation, height from the sea level only. Clear? So the average height of Himadri is 6,100 meters from the sea level. That is why we call them as Greater Himalayas. Okay, they are the highest mountain ranges. Clear? So this range which covered snow and ice always. Snow and ice cover. So which of the following mountain range of Himalayas covered snow and ice? Himadri or Greater Himalayas. Okay. See, the importance of Himadri is this range which consists of world highest peaks. World highest peaks which present in Himalayas only, means Himadri only. Best example, Everest. Again, Everest, Kanchenjunga. Okay, so these two are the peaks very important because so this is the world highest peak with the height of 8,848 meters. Okay, next coming to Kanchenjunga is so 8,698 meters. So this is the world highest peak and the highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga. So along with them, Makhalu, Dhavalagiri, Manaslu, Chovoyu, Nanga Prabhat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Namcha Barva are the 10 topmost highest peaks which present in Himadri. Right? Next important parallel range was Himachal. So this is important parallel range for examination point of view. Okay, Himachal. See, Himachal is also known as Middle Himalaya. Okay, Middle Himalayas. Himalaya are Lower Himalayas. Lower Himalayas. So see the map. So this range is nothing but okay, Greater Himalayas or Himalayas. So this is Middle Himalaya. So wherever the Middle Himalayas are in between Greater Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas. This is the greater. This is lesser. This is outer. So in between the two mountain ranges, the what Himachal ranges are the Middle Himalayas and the Lower Himalayas which present. Right? See, what is the average height of Himachal is 3,500 to 4,500 meters. So this is the elevation, height. See, height of Himadri is 6,100 meters. So this is the highest mountain range. Okay, see the height. But coming to the height of Himachal, 3,500 to 4,500 meters only, isn't it? So this is the elevation of Himachal. Okay, the Himachal mountain ranges lies south of Greater Himalayas. Sometimes the examiner asking you that the following Himalayan mountain range lies south of Greater Himalayas. These are the greater south of Greater Himalayas. Okay, Himachal it is. Okay, or the Middle Himalaya or the Lower Himalaya. Clear? So the importance of Himachal is which consists of ranges, means mountain ranges. Best example, what are the Mahabharata range. Okay, now Mussoorie range. Okay, now Mussoorie. Next to Nagatibba, Pirpanjal. Panjal. Next, Jaskar. Okay. So they are the important mountain ranges. See, my dear students. So where the Mahabharata, Mussoorie, Nagtippa, Tirupandar, Jaskar ranges. So all these ranges which present in Himachal. See, Tirupandar is the longest mountain range in Himachal. This is the longest one. Okay, in between Tirupandar and the Jaskar ranges, Kashmir Valley is situated. What now? Kashmir Valley. The well-known Kashmir Valley is right now. So Kashmir Valley is present in Jammu and Kashmir, right? With the northwest towards to southeast. So this way it is. So where was it situated? In between Tirupandar range and the Jaskar range. Important bit. So where was Kashmir Valley situated? The Kashmir Valley is situated in between Tirupandar and the Jaskar ranges. Clear? So for Himachal, we have to remember what is the another name of Himachal ranges? Middle Himalaya or Lower Himalayas. The average elevation of Himachal ranges are 3,500 meters to 4,500 meters. So these Himachal ranges, which consist of Mahabharata, Mussoorie, Nagtippa, Tirupandar and Jaskar ranges. Okay. And in Himachal, we have seen the various kinds of hill stations. Right. So what are the hill stations which are present in Himachal ranges? Okay. They are Kashmir or the valleys. Okay. Mussoorie. Next to Simla. Okay. Nainital, Rawalpindi. So, my dear students, what are they? What is Mussoorie, Simla, Nainital, Rawalpindi? Okay, they were the hill stations which present in Himachal. Okay. See, what is the importance of Himachal ranges? Himachal ranges also known as Middle Himalayas or the Lower Himalayas. The average elevation of these Himalayas are 3,500 meters to 4,500 meters. Okay. The important mountain ranges which present in Himachal ranges are Mahabharata, Pir Panjal, Jaskar, Mussoorie and Nagtippa. The famous Kashmir Valley which present in between Jaskar and Pir Panjal is. In between Pir Panjal and Jaskar ranges, what was there? Kashmir Valley situated. Okay. Next, third important hill station. Third important mountain range was Shivalik ranges, right? Shivalik is also known as Outer Himalayas. Shivalik, right? Also known as Outer Himalayas. Outer Himalayas. Okay, let you know the average elevation of these Himalayas are 600 to 1500 meters. So that is why, so we call them as hills. For example, Shivaliks in Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu Hills. In Jammu and Kashmir, we call them as Jammu Hills. Okay. In Arunachal Pradesh, Nishmi Hills, and in Assam, Kutch Hills are important, right now. So, what are the names of Shivaliks in the respective states? Are in Jammu and Kashmir called as Jammu Hills, in Arunachal Pradesh, Nishmi Hills, in Assam, Kutch Hills, right? So these Shivalik mountain ranges are important because in between Shivaliks and lesser Himalayas. See now. So these are the middle Himalayas and the lesser Himalayas. Now in between lesser Himalayas and the outer Himalayas, there were flat bottomed valleys means valleys are there. But valleys are two types: V-shaped valleys and U-shaped valleys are. See, the flat bottom strike valleys which present in between middle Himalayas and the Shivalik ranges, and the lesser Himalayas and the Shivaliks. So what we call them? They called as dunes. Okay, dunes in the west and doors in the east. Doors in the east. Okay, so what are dunes and dars? Dunes and dars are the valleys. So where are the valleys are? In between middle Himalayas and outer Himalayas are Himachal and Shivalik ranges. Okay, there is a question. So what are dunes? Dunes are the valleys lying in between Himachal and Shivalik ranges, are the lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are called dunes. Okay, so dunes are in the west, but in the east we call them as dars. Okay, so let us understand the importance of Himalayas. So Himalayas are important because they can be obstructing the cold winds from Central Asia. You know where the Central Asia is situated? In northern hemisphere, no? Right? The present Russia is. See, India has been getting cold winds from Central Asia parts. From there, the cold winds have been moving towards to our countries. So these cold winds which obstructed by Himalayas. Right? The topic is about importance of Himalayas. Yes. The first importance was Himalayas acted as natural barriers. Acted as natural barriers which present in northwestern part of India can be obstructing the cold winds from Central Asia. If there is no Himalayas, the cold is directly entered into northern plains. So the Indian agriculture, which very prosperous in northern part of India, doesn't possible. Okay, India become dry. India becomes in other type of climate. Okay, so that is why the Himalayas can be obstructing the cold winds which are coming from Central Asia. Okay, it is the first advantage, the first importance of Himalayas. Right now, next, second importance was Himalayas are responsible for perennial rivers or the Himalayan rivers. So what are the perennial? Okay, why we call so? Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. See, this is Indus, which originate over the Himalayas and moving towards to west and drains into Arabian Sea. Okay, Indus. This river flows continuously throughout the year. Next, Ganga. Again, this is Ganga river system and this is Brahmaputra. Right? See, Indus, Ganga and the Brahmaputra are the perennials, which originate over the Himalayas. Means Himalayas are the birthplace of all the perennials. Isn't it? All the perennials. This is the advantage for our nation. Okay. So northern plains which present over are along the feet of Himalayas because of Himalayan rivers only. If there is no Himalayas, no northern plains which present over northern part of India. Isn't it? Because the rivers which can be carry the alluvium and deposited along the feet of mountains. So this is the way the northern plains which present in northern part of India as Indo-Gangetic plains are. Clear? So this is the second importance, right? Next, third importance is Himalayas are responsible for monsoon type of climates. You know, the Indian monsoons which give good rainfall in the month of June to September, as southwest monsoons are advancing monsoon. If there is no Himalayas, no India expect good rain. No India expect southwest monsoons. So they are the very fortunate because we have been experiencing rainfall every year without fail in the month of June to September because of Himalayan mountains only. So Himalayas are the responsible for monsoon type of climate. Okay, and Himalayas also responsible for orchards, means fruit bearing trees are like apples. You know, Kashmir apple is a great demand in the world. Okay, and apricots. Okay, so there is various kinds of fruits which are grown in the Himalayan region. Right now, and alpine vegetation. Himalayas also responsible for alpine vegetation which present in Himachal plain only. No, Himachal, isn't it? Or the middle Himalayas. Clear? And there are the valleys like Kashmir, Kulu, Kangra valleys, and also hill stations. Okay, what are they? Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, Chakrada are the hill stations which can be attracting the foreign people, isn't it? To live where it is during the time of summer, isn't it? So then there is a importance of Himalayas. If there is no Himalayas, then the no perennial river system, no Indian agriculture is prosper, and no monsoons comes to our country. No, India has seen the alpine vegetation and the apricots. No hill stations present in the Himalayan region as Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, and Chakrada. Okay. Next, the Himalayas, which reaches northeastern part of India, taking hairpin bend to the south. Okay, just it has to take hairpin bend to the south. Okay, so the eastern part of Himalayas and the eastern boundary of Himalayas are called Purvanchal. What now? Purvanchal Himalayas. Where are the Purvanchal Himalayas situated? Actually, Purvanchal Himalayas a part of Himalayas only, but it's present in eastern part of India. It is eastern boundary of India. Clear? So these Purvanchal Himalayas had different names in different states. For example, in Arunachal Pradesh, we called Patkai Hills. Patkai Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, right? Next, in Mizoram, first in Nagaland. Okay? In Nagaland, Naga Hills. In Nagaland, Naga Hills. In Manipur, Manipuri Hills. Manipuri Hills. Okay. In Mizoram, Mizo Hills. In Meghalaya, Kasi, Garo, and Jayatia. Right? So then there are the names of Himalayas are the Purvanchal Himalayas, isn't it? The Purvanchal Himalayas have different names in different states. Again, what are they? In Arunachal Pradesh, Patkai Hills. In Nagaland, Naga Hills. In Manipur, Manipuri Hills. In Mizoram, Mizo Hills. In Meghalaya, Kasi, Garo, Jayantia. Okay. So tomorrow in the class we discuss about Indo-Gangetic Plains as a second important physical feature of India. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day.